Hey, what's up guys, it's Paxton here, and if I did get things correct, you guys are gonna, instead of be seeing a green screen behind me, you guys are gonna be seeing, well, me blending in for green screen, unless it is just a blank thing, and it's green, then yeah, that's my fault in editing, but I don't know, hopefully it works, but anyway, today, I'm gonna be teaching you guys, well, you guys know by the title, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get one specific layer thing. Like, if you guys want to know how to change the background of something to multiple colors, basically, it's weird. Here, let me just show you. All right, so the first thing that you want to do, this is in Photoshop, by the way. See something. This is in Photoshop though. I'll go new. I'll just go with this untitled. Yeah, all right. So file, and then let's go open. Desktop, no, wait, pictures, open up this, and let's go, I like this, so we're gonna go open up this, and then, so let's say that we want, like, this, like, that part there, just that part, or, like, somewhere around here. We want this color for a specific thing. So let's just go open, and I think I have a picture of just a regular Phoenix. Yes, here we go, and I have another one. But anyway, let's just choose this one. So now we have this. Go Control A on Windows. On Mac, I don't really know, or something. I don't know. Then so Control A, so that controls it all. Copy, right? And then what you want to do, go here, Control V, and then that'll paste it. Control C. Don't forget to press Shift to change the so it's good like that. And boom, there we go. So now it's nice and beautiful. So now we have the Falcon, or Phoenix. No, Falcon. No, Phoenix. I don't know why I was thinking Falcon. Then Shift A again. So, or no, Control A, copy it all. Or if you don't want to copy it, or you could just do it here. Just go Control D to deselect, Control A to select all, Control C to copy it, Control V to paste it. So now that you guys see over here, we have two layers. We have the Phoenix here. So let's just name that Phoenix. And then we just have a background. So the thing that we want to do now, let's just move the Phoenix here so you guys can actually see it. So there we go. We have this Phoenix, right? But then what you want to do is you want to, so if you guys just want to be like a super fast way or cheat it kind of, then just do this. So grab this little tool here. I can't remember what it's called. It's not the magic wand tool. It's the quick selection tool. So what you want to do is make sure that's on plus, right? And then just go around the whole thing, and it should automatically get it because it's a nice like outline thing. There's no background to it or anything. It's not a white, it's whatever it is. So now that we have this, right, we copy that, or you can go here, and actually this is where we swap the colors. So you can come here, right, and instead of on the Phoenix, you want to go to the outer space one, right? You want to make sure that you're on the outer space one, or this could be for any color, but I'm pretty sure if you want like just one solid color, then just use the fill tool, which is right there. But if you want this look like the outer space, then definitely do this, okay? So now that we have this selected, instead of the Phoenix, we want this one. So like let's just deselect that, right? Or not deselect it. So you can't see it, right? It would be that. And then we go copy, right? And then now let's just go Control V. And we should have, oh wait, we should have, boom, this Phoenix here. And how is that even possible? Well, it's possible because when this, when this is selected here, when this one is selected, okay, here, let me just do this again. When the Phoenix is all outlined like this, right? Let's just, Jesus Christ. Let's just fix that. Alright, so when we have the Phoenix all selected, it basically, so you will go down to here, and it keeps that little selected part there, and when you go Control C to copy it, then Control V, it will paste it in. So then you will have the Phoenix. Or, well, you'll have this Phoenix of the background, and you can do it with whatever you want. You don't have to do it with the ones that I want. I just did it with these ones because it was way easier. Yeah, oh Jesus. That one blended into the background there. They actually both kind of do. Oh Jesus. That's weird, whoa. But yeah, it's really easy and really fun to do, and really quick, actually, once you like get it down. But yes, that is how you do that, and actually how you change it, like if you just want to keep that Phoenix there, then just have it here, and if you want the transparent background, then go here, delete that layer, yes, delete this layer, yes, let's delete this, there we go, and just delete all of these. Yes. So now that you'll just have the Phoenix here, right? Then we can come up here, deselect those, and then File, and go Save As. I just do this faster. Save As, and let's go Rex 1. All right, Rex 1.1, and then save that as a PNG. I'm just gonna quickly save it to my desktop. There we go. Okay, and it should be saved now, and then, oh, don't mind that. Then we should have, what you see here is this. And the reason why it's like all black, and like, Paxton, why is it all black back there? Well, the reason why it's all black is because that's what the background is. It's black, and this is a transparent picture. So, therefore, it's gonna be this. But now, to actually get back into the thing that you want, let's just move that picture into there. I'm gonna exit out Photoshop, and if you want to work with it again, I think that's what you're gonna have to do. But see, I made this was a little project thing that I did for my cousin. I'm not gonna be showing you how to make it, and unless you guys want me to, but yes, just basically showing you guys that it does work, and it will still be transparent when you open it back up. File, and we go open. Actually, wait, no, don't open anything yet. Let's just go File, New, set whatever you want it as. I'm just gonna go as like a YouTube thumbnail thing. Then let's go open. Then we will go to, instead of that, we'll come here, and boom, it should be there. Then we open that up, and as you guys see here, it's transparent background. And so we just have that. We can copy it. Oh wait, Control A, copy, Control V it, and it's here. And then you can also go, let's just go here, duplicate. Okay, so now we have this one, we have two, right? And with this top one, let's just change it to a different color. Let's just resort back to this. Oh jeez, I totally forgot about this one. The reason why it's different is because, well, I forgot that you can't, with this one, you can't just like do that. You're gonna need to go through all that for a while. So yeah, this one was kind of a mess up. So let's just go back and actually delete that layer. Yes, all right. Anyway, we can just actually go just File, Open, and open, not this one, because we already have that. Open this one of this Phoenix, copy it. Oh, wrong thing. Copy, paste, Control T, and resize it to whatever you want, and yeah. And there you guys. Jesus. No. Stop that. Wait, oh, I see why. But yeah, so there you guys go. And now that that's that, You guys can do whatever you want with it now that you have charger. Now that you have that one. It's really simple, and I think it looks really cool that you can actually make your own background thing. So, yeah. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and actually comment if you want me to do more things like this, because I know how to do some stuff, and I could probably teach you guys. But anyway, that's it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family and everybody, and I'll see all you dudes in the next video. Peace out, guys. Woohoo!